Alright guys, I just got a package right here. Feels like Christmas again. Welcome back to part 2 of the Mustang rebuild. In today's video, my goal is to get this car ready for the paint job, which means I have to go ahead and replace these brackets right here. I got 2 new brackets from the dealer, and also this side I got 2 new brackets. And all the rest of the parts should come in today. So as soon as they come in, I'll bring them inside and I'll show them to you guys. So first thing I'm gonna do is probably take the crash bar out and take the radiator and condenser out, and then we'll proceed to replacing these brackets. Alright, so I want to show you guys the brackets right here that I bought from the dealer. 4 new brackets. They are 2 separate pieces. Let me show you guys on this side. It's going to be a little better to see it right here. You can see there are 2 separate pieces. One weird thing that I noticed about these brackets is, let me get the other piece. So this is the piece that goes right here. As you guys see, it's exactly the same. But it looks like the dealer didn't put any holes in here. You see, there's supposed to be these 2 holes on this side, so that means I have to make these holes on my own. So I guess I'll make it work. And also my headlight showed up yesterday. This is the driver's side headlight. That's the one that I needed. This thing is in really good condition. The only thing that's wrong with it, right there's a hole in the headlight, but from my old headlight, I do have that piece right there. So I'll probably use that piece to make this headlight work. I got a pretty good deal on it, so I'm not gonna be fixing these headlights. I do have somebody locally here that fix headlights. They will be able to fix like these brackets, like on this headlight and the one I just bought. So I'm gonna go ahead and send them out today probably. They can get it done while the car is getting painted. Alright guys, I just got a package right here. Feels like Christmas again. It is a little damaged right here. Hopefully none of the parts inside are damaged. Alright, let's go ahead and cut this open. Nice 2 fenders. This is for the Mustang. This, I don't see any damage on it. That's very good. These 2 fenders are still from the black Mustang. I hadn't thrown them out because maybe I could use something from them. Okay, so here's the other one. No damage on it too. Looks like it's from a V6 because it doesn't have the 5.0 badge. It does come with these brackets. That's very good. All right, next. See what else we got here. Reinforcement bar. Looks like they did a poor job screwing this thing together. Alright, here's the radiator support. Nice, comes with the latch, comes with the radiator brackets, all the extra bolts. Perfect. This is perfect. Alright, moving on to the next. I'm not sure what this is, but we're about to find out. Ooh. Driver's airbag, look at that. That's sick right here. Perfect. All right, moving on to the next box. See what we got in here. Here's the knee airbag. These are for the, they go on the radiator support. I think this one's for the intake and this one goes on the other side. Condenser. See if it has any damage. No, looks pretty good. Go ahead and lay it down over here. Next. Oh yeah. Radiator and a fan. Sweet. Here it is. I don't see any damage, but of course I'll have to inspect it again before I install it. As of right now, we're just going to keep moving. I'm going to throw all this trash back in this box and then we'll move on to the next box. And the final thing is this grill. Top grill for the bumper. Because mine is busted. I showed you guys earlier. Right there, you guys see right there is busted. The bottom grill, everything underneath looks pretty good, so I didn't order that. And here's the rebar. It's holding on 2 screws right here. I'll just take that off. And that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I went ahead and welded both of the brackets on. Here's this side. I grinded them off as well. And also I installed the radiator support just to make sure everything fits. And I want to show you guys the measurements, just so you guys know for sure there was no frame damage here. So right there and to that point right there, same thing on this side, right there and right there. So as you guys see, there was no frame damage, 100%. I did not do any adjustments, nothing. I just welded these brackets on there, and the radiator support just fit on there perfectly with no issues. So that's a very good thing. Alright, so I finally painted the brackets. Now I'm going to go ahead and reassemble the radiator, condenser, and the fan. Alright guys, so check out these gaps. Everything looks really good. I didn't even have to try. Like I said, there's no frame damage, so everything just lined up perfect. Back to OEM specs. Here's this side. Everything looks really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour some antifreeze in the radiator and then go ahead and take it to the paint shop. Alright guys, it is finally time for the giveaway. So I went ahead and loaded all the comments. We're about to see how many comments there is. There's a good bit of comments. I'm going to go ahead and press Control F and type in the word done. So 195 comments has the word done in it. Now I'm going to go on to the website random.org and type in 195 and it'll find me the random number. Generate. Number 59, you're going to be the winner. Let's go ahead and go up to number 59. 61, 60, 59. All right. Toxic Gamer 909, you're the winner. Congratulations. Go ahead and email me. I'll leave my email down in the description. Email me your size and whatever you want, either a hoodie, shirt, or a long sleeve shirt. Just go ahead and email me and I will go ahead and send out your merch. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. This Mustang is coming along very quick and I'm so excited to get it back on the road again. In the next video I'm going to be assembling the Mustang. That'll be in about a week or two because I am taking it to the paint shop right now. If you guys like my channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram at Rebuild with Nick. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.